So you've had this said time and time again that you need to value add our coffee before we export it if our farmers are to make good money out of their product. And in fact, when we did the Bitter Brew series last year, the one thing that kept coming up over and over is that one of the reasons the farmers were being paid low is because the product was being exported raw. But guess what? There are actually some companies here in Kenya that export roasted coffee, which is basically partially processing the coffee. But now we do have a company that has set up shop here to fully process the coffee and export it when it's ready for the market. What you see here, this is coffee that has already been roasted and packaged and been put in boxes. And when it leaves here, it's going to go straight to the port of Mombasa for export and directly onto the shelves in Denmark. Where we are, this is the export processing zone in Athi River, and the company is the African Coffee Roasters.
In here we have coffees from Kenya, of course, Ethiopia, Rwanda.
Direct sales is also called the second window, and it was introduced in Kenya through the Finance Act of 2005 with the objective of giving farmers a direct link to the international buyers bypassing the Nairobi Coffee Exchange. But since then, only 10% of the coffee produced in the country is actually sold through direct sales. This is because most farmers are not able to supply the required volumes consistently and also have limited overseas market intelligence. But now one of those international buyers has come to the farmer buying directly from cooperative societies.
The reason we decided to buy directly from farmers and directly from coffee cooperatives is because we are a cooperative ourselves. And we want to be sure that the coffee producers are actually benefiting from this trade and from this value addition.
African Coffee Roasters is a subsidiary of Coop Denmark, the largest retailer in Denmark. It has bought Kenyan coffee before, but in low volumes. Production locally has only just started, roasting, grinding and packaging the coffee according to the needs of the Danish market. The first shipment of 300 kilos of processed coffee left Nairobi today for the port of Mombasa.
We are starting out with 2,000 tons per year because that's what we are very sure that we can export, because our primary market is export. We will be able to expand that up to 4, 6, even 8,000 tons over a few year periods.
In its report, the Coffee Task Force recommended that the second window be leveraged since Kenyan coffee is premium quality suitable for specialty markets as opposed to the general market. This the farmers have welcomed, saying that they earn more through the window compared to the auction.
If you are going for the same grade, maybe in the auction, the grade that is going for $320 or $350 per 50 kilogram bag, maybe in direct sales it will be $450 or $400.
When we look at the higher output per tree from the farmer training and the benefits of the direct trade, the income of Othaya Farmers Cooperative as a total has been increased by 212%.
For now, the roaster is only working with 3 cooperatives in Nyeri County, but once the business picks up, it will not only expand to other coffee growing regions in the country, but also expand into other value chains, setting up processing plants for guacamole from avocados, chocolate, tomato paste, and fruit jams. Zainab Wandati, NTV, for Food Friday.